September, sa October.
Hindi naka-live sa YouTube. Hindi, sa YouTube.
Kasi si ate ang nag-message sa akin palagi.
Talaga lang? Anong masabi nyo sa Tide?
Si Donya, okay. I-off mo muna.
Anong masabi nyo sa Tide?
Ayun, Tide.
Tide na sabon.
This is, watermelon. It's good.
So describe the Filipino food.
Lumpia is life.
So lahat na lang, live. The beautiful ladies in Thunder Bay.
Thank you.
Beautiful naman talaga. Ano ba yan? Dapat beautiful ang mga Pilipina.
Asa yung bana? Hello!
No, they're in the rides.
That's why I have to try and go to the store that I
Hey.
the other one is dry.
You did a good job.
You're not going to the rides? You're not going to the rides? There's rides. The girls are there already, the kids.
Yeah, but
No, thank you po. I don't want. I'm good.
yeah, but you
Coupons. It's free.
ask Tita Ellen
Yeah, Tita Ellen is there giving away all the coupons.
from our company.
Kaon pa, pangapi na.
Titi, salamat.
Coffee. Mga Bisaya.
Bisayang ako.
Mualboal. Mualboal. Pirme sa una. Wala. May kaadto. Sa itong dito sa Migbadyan sa Basdako. Basdiyat. Di atom kun mi sa una sa kuan Mualboal pirme sa Panagsama Beach. Pero kamo na mo may beach lot ngadto. Okay. Pero dool ra. Lamay na.
I think Rolla is, yeah. I didn't plan on going, but.
Ay, mauwa.
Oh, yeah, I realized that, yeah.
Magpatay. Mga pinamo. Kuman ng picnic. Busog na ang mga tiyan.
Sinabi sa akin ni Peter na picnic daw ngayon.
Oh, hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko alam. Mag-picnic din kami dito ng anak ko dapat.
Oo. Picnic ngayon.
Oh, sorry.
Nasa sa Filipino-Canadian Association.
Kaya palibasa busy ako kaya hindi ko rin hindi ako updated.
Tignan mo mga late, oh. Wala na, late. Mga late comers, wala na.
Perfect. There we go.
Come inside, tuloy. Si Robert, halo-halo.
No, the halo is halo.
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, yeah.
Kasi kasulti na mo style.
Oh, boy.
Yummy.
Mars, sasabihin na ako sa'yo.
Tapad man diha.
Probably not.
Iwanan na ako, Mars. Naman ang pagkain dito, Mars. Yun na nga eh. Nandiliman dati sa loob. Ang mga tatay doon. Okay, sinandoon sila ako sa mga.
Ang mga amahan mo na dito.
PJ,
Ang mga fafa.
maapat at pakpak. And then have their ticket for the ride.
There's Kuya Nune. Cheers. Kape yan or tubig?
Dalawang gano'n.
Ah, fresca.
Basta dalawang isang bata na bata at sa amin naka-anim kami.
You can be on both sides. Now, and I
Madam, basta.
Ren,
Dagan naman ako kwarta.
the same as them.
Bayad. Bayad sa tuition.
O, sa akong pagmangkoy. PJ.
I was gonna say good burger.
Ako, halo-halo.
No, I'm good.
Nakain pa yata.
Kumain pa si Robert.
Bakit daw sige mo yan?
Hindi ka marunong. Asan ba si Ellen?
Kumain pa. Ganda talaga si Madam. Oh.
Ellen, maraming nag-aantay sa iyong halo-halo.
Hindi siya na
Ah.
hindi siya na ganito. Hindi siya brown. Kasi hindi naman siya sugar na yung hindi.
Halo-halo mo, maraming nag-aantay.
Ihalo-halo mo sila.
Mekos-mekos ko sila.
Mekos-mekos mo na.
Nasaan na si Jan ang kumain muna kayo?
Kakatapos na ng kumain eh. Mamaya na natin.
Hindi pa sila kumain. Uy, kain muna.
Jenny! Can you call Ate Jen Jen?
Ate Jen still eating. Kumain pa si Ate Jen.
Ah, ganyan. Ganyan na. Electric. Hindi ganyan sa amin. Pero, electric din. No, I don't want to call and see.
Really? Anyone?
Si Ate Melly. Kuha ka na. Ate namin ang Thunder Day.
Wala kang jacket dyan. Nalilamig daw si Kuya.
Ren,
You want How about burgers and Elms? Na may hamburger Elms. Si Marek ba?
There's a
O
burger
hotdog.
outside. Get the burger there.
Where's the doctor?
They're on the rides. Rides. Chipawa rides. Where's Matthew? Is Matthew? I think Matthew with them.
No, where's the doctor?
Huh?
Where's the doctor?
There.
Anton.
There. With the rides with the kids.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought I heard he's working.
He's working, but he dropped by to bring jackets for Marissa. Winter jacket.
Is this winter or what?
Yeah, it's too cold. Look, winter jackets already.
It's not winter.
I know.
This is summer.
I know. Summer, winter.
Get one there, and then there is a barbecue.
Tagay plato ba yun?
There's no more.
Tagay siya hotdog ban o hamburger ban.
You don't know how to play this?
You want hot dog?
Nangapin na ka?
Isa pa ni morning mo halo-halo ti. Bagay mo isa ha. Isa
I need 13 minutes for YouTube to be paid with ads.
Ayun, flash siya.
Oh,
Ikaw ang halo-halo. Balikan kita.
wow!
I took
Sure.
She Boom up in the airplane, eh?
What?
You know She Boom? What's her name? Michelle? Vilma and I think Morgan's cousin.
Morgan. Okay, yeah.
So that little tiny
Yeah,
skinny.
yeah.
I took her flying when we were in Manitowoc. Eh?
Ah, that's what they're telling them
Yeah.
about the plane.
Yeah.
They should take me.
You have to go to Manitowoc.
Yeah, next year. For Blueberry. There it will be a nice video. That's what they said. They were flying a plane. Ah, so it was you. I thought it's Cora's husband who flew them. It's you. What are they playing there? Ah!